Hi everyone. Is your mind full or are you mindful? Shall I repeat again? Is your mind full or are you mindful of your present scenarios? Hi, my name is Richa Chaturvedi and I'm here to discuss how the act of mindfulness can help you increase your productivity. Sounds interesting? Let's get started. So you see, today in this world wherein people are so much stressed out, so much anxious, living in their past, anticipating their future, they have forgotten the present. They have forgotten how to live in this moment, being aware of what is happening around them right now. Okay, you have forgotten that what is happening right now in this moment and why I'm not being able to enjoy whatever is happening around me. And if that is the case, then probably you are actually just full of confusions, your mind is full of clutter. And being mindful is like you are aware of your own state, you're aware of your own emotions, you're aware of your own thinking, what is happening around you and what is happening inside you. Okay, and the state of knowing yourself and being aware of your own self will take you towards being more productive. It will take you towards more clarity. It will help you in communicating in a better way with your colleagues, family, and friends. It will keep you away from being anxious and stressed out. It will increase your total productivity altogether. It will help in reducing that stages of burnout. Okay, you will feel more confident in your skin, and which is very much important out here in today's world. You need to understand that whatever you've been doing right now is not taking you anywhere. So you need to understand how you are doing it, what you are doing, and why you are doing this. You need to understand that whatever is going around you, you need to have a clarity about it. And it is about like metacognition. What is metacognition? It is about thinking about what your thinking process is, what is going around your brain. It is all about that. It may sound very bookish at the initial stages, but believe me, friends, if you start working on it day in, day out, you will actually have better control of your own emotions, of your own feelings, and whatever you've been doing in this present scenarios. How you can do it? It's very simple. It's just that you need to be present in this moment. The first step is that just be present in this moment. Don't forget about, don't worry about the past. Forget about the future. एंटिसिपेशन में जीना क्यों है या पास्ट की तरफ भी मुंह करके जीना क्यों है? You need to understand that whatever has been happening right now, you need to understand that awareness is the key towards being more productive. And believe me, multitasking will not help you in this. It's only the single tasking that can help you to keep you motivated towards what you want to achieve in your life. You need to develop that kind of a curiosity. You need towards this growth mindset. You need to take that breaks in between so that you can actually recharge yourself and come back in that moment again and start working around it. You need to create that kind of a environment around you, around your workstations, around your houses, in order to be just present in this moment. And believe me, friends, अगर आप आज में जिंदा हो तो आप कल भी जिंदा रहोगे, जिंदा दिली से जिंदा रहोगे, इस मोमेंट में रहोगे तो अगला मोमेंट भी इंजॉय कर पाओगे. You will not have your regrets for the past. You will not have any anticipations for the future if you are living in your present. I hope this helps you out in just decluttering your mind and being more mindful and being more productive at your workplaces. This is Richa Chaturvedi. Do subscribe my channel. YouTube channel. Do go and follow me on Empower Her by Richa Chaturvedi. I am designing a lot of courses and material for you guys to help you around your lives. Stay in touch with me. Get in touch with me if you need any help. You can go and visit my website for further details, www.richachaturvedi.in. And I want to see you in my master classes. Love you all. See you next Wednesday. Looking forward to support you in a better way and help you in becoming a better version of yourself. Goodbye.